Radixas, welcome to our Financial Facts channel. We Radixas will give you some valuable tips and tricks on how you can make yourself financially independent regardless of what you earn now and where you live now. With this video, we are going to go over some of the most important questions to prepare yourself for the investment. First, when is the right time to start investment? There is never a bad time to start investing. Start as early as possible. Warren Buffett started at the age of 11 and he is arguably the most successful investor in the world. Here are the main reasons why you should start as young as possible. When you are young, you can take greater risk, you learn the importance of failure to be successful, and you learn to take calculated risk and your risk tolerance grows. The younger you are, the faster you learn. If you can develop a solid knowledge of the market when young, you will absorb knowledge of investing the market faster for the rest of your life. When to buy an asset? As per the previous point, if you're not in the market, first get into the market. Imagine if you would have bought Amazon in 1997 for $10,000 investment, then it would be worth more than $2.3 million today. But before investing in stock, if you have any high interest credit card debts or you are forced to put huge expenses on credit cards because you don't have an emergency fund, then the credit card compound interest you owe will increase. You will end up with more debts. That's why you need to pay off those credit cards and build the emergency fund first. Is there a right time to buy a stock? Sometimes analysts report or a media will say the market is about to crash or it is highly priced and wait for the crash to buy on the dip. Basically, any attempts to pick the times to buy or sell are a mistake for 99% of the population. No one can predict the dip. Don't try to beat the market. Participate in it. Don't try to predict the market. No matter how confident someone is in their stock picks or prediction, nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Thank you for listening. Make sure to like and subscribe.